Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset SQL Server user accounts detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset SQL Server user accounts, begin by launching SQL Server Management Studio. Connect to your SQL Server instance using appropriate credentials. Once connected, navigate to the Object Explorer window. Locate the security folder within your server instance. Expand the security folder to view the list of logins. Identify the user account you wish to reset. Right-click on the user account and select Properties from the context menu. In the Login Properties window, navigate to the General page. Here, you can modify the login name or the password as needed. To reset the password, enter a new password in the Password and Confirm Password fields. Ensure that your new password adheres to the password policy set for SQL Server. If necessary, uncheck the Enforce Password Policy option to bypass these restrictions. Next, review the User Mappings section if you need to adjust database permissions. Select the desired databases and assign appropriate roles for the user account. After making your changes, click the OK button to apply them. Close the Login Properties window once you've confirmed the changes. Finally, test the user account by attempting to log in using the new credentials. If successful, your reset process is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.